Oh, fit check by the way. But I think we're... My monolid is back. Hey guys, ignore my monolid right now because it's so swollen and yeah. Today is Saturday and I just planned out literally everything I have to do for the week. And you have no idea how much stuff I have to do. I have like 2 hours of work every day.
What's with the stupid glare?
I'm gonna go brush my teeth and wash my face now. This is not holding up. I'm actually gonna do this. Serum that I got. Oh, I really want to put my double eyelid. Yay! Oh, eyelids have not been double eyelided recently. Oh, look at that. It's back. Finish it off. We got this. Oh. I shot that thing into my eye. Okay. As I went to go throw the trash away, I literally saw the breakfast that laid before my eyes. Oh my gosh, look. I think I ate my pimple patch while I was eating the food. Guys, so we're at Kira right now to go get some stuff. And after that, we're gonna go study at Main Street because this kid over here decided it would be a good idea to go study like one day after we get on break.
Actually, the day we get on break.
Yay! Hey guys, I forgot to film. Anyways, I got these. And then, yeah, we're going to Main Street now. Yay! Sorry. Okay, we're waiting for the Kura Sushi right now because I thought they called us over, but actually I have like 10 minutes. So yeah, we're kind of just chilling. Oh, fit check by the way, I forgot about that.
Okay, so I'm unboxing my lippy. So yeah, I didn't mention it earlier because my mom was in the car and I just didn't want to mention to her that I got a lippy again. But this is literally so cute. Like, okay, wait,
Okay, it's the Colorgram Fruity Glass Blast, Oat Green Bagel Strawberry, Clumpy Blast Leaves and Whiskey. Oh, it's pumping? It's okay.
I like pumping.
Do I? Gaslighting herself.
Oh, this is so cute. What the hell? She pretty. Okay. Here's a pretty chick over there.
We're here. Yay, and we're at like the front of the bell, which means we get the good food. Yes. Got this, but we couldn't score anything else, so... Cheers! That looks so good. I think we took like way too much. Cheers! This is what? I'm writing my research, like, info thingy right now. I have so much work to do, you have no idea. So our old place at Me Fresh didn't have any Wi-Fi and I was like living off my phone's hotspot, but I didn't really want to do that, and there was one tiny table over here. Notice how there's like no space for literally anything, but it's better than no Wi-Fi, so now we're at Phil's Coffee, I guess. Hey guys, we're back home now and we're eating dinner because we're hungry and it's like 7 p.m. already. Hey guys, so we're going to Bee's house now.
Look at these Christmas lights.
Anyways, it's like 10:30 right now and we're having a sleepover. Yay! Hey guys, so I just washed my face and brushed my teeth at Bee's house. Hi guys, look, I'm Bee. Oh no, but I didn't repurchase it because it's too thick. And it probably was. Hey guys, it's the next morning and I'm at BD's house because remember we slept over. Guess what came in the mail? So, guess what came in the mail? I already said that once. It's my MacBook. Okay, sorry. I'm like tweaking out right now because I'm so excited. This is my beautiful MacBook cover. It's fluffy inside. Okay, this is the moment, y'all. Let us see the gorgeous MacBook. Okay, it's wrapped all nicely. I can just tell this is gonna be so cute. I bought a MacBook M2 Air. It came out in 2022. So I'll just rip it here. Oh, do you see this, y'all? That's the MacBook. Take a moment to admire this. Gorgeous. Oh, he's working on it. Oh, I already dropped it once. That's the MacBook! Oh my gosh! No, I'm actually tweaking. Hold on. This is so gorgeous. Oh, got a layer still. Oh my god, guys, I'm so happy. I have to go customize everything now because it's like ugly right now. But it's okay. Soon you will be here. Hey guys, it's 12:30 a.m. right now and I'm about to go to bed, but I actually recorded my get ready with me earlier, but my phone died so it didn't save anything. But what I wanted to do was just like explain my MacBook.
Basically, I bought it because I broke my MacBook a while ago, like a year ago, and then I used my PC for a while, but then I missed the feeling of having a MacBook, and it was on sale for Black Friday, so I got it. And the MacBook you saw in like the previous sections of the video, that was my dad's MacBook, and he returned it recently, so yeah.
That's all I had to say. Anyways, today I literally did nothing after that morning routine. All I did was like scroll and watch TikTok and like play guitar for 6 hours. So yeah, really nothing to update you guys on. But tomorrow I might go to the mall with my friends, but I'm also going to the mall on Tuesday with BD, so I don't even know if I'm gonna go on Monday because I low-key don't want to. But yeah, anyways, bye. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, fit check that. But I think we're